Welcome to the Marty Sati YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the platform to build a website for your costume rental service. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today, you haven't heard of Marty Sati yet, Marty Sati is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to quickly make my way to the top and I'm going to search for my market, costume rental service. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select the template. Great, let's tell Marty a few basic details about our costume rental service so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my business name, as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world your costume rental service is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service and click on continue and let multi-sites work its magic and create a simple website for us. And look at that, it's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at the website it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we pre selected all the images. They're all really high quality and they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing photos of all the fancy costumes that you rent out and you want to showcase them on your websites and you want to make one or two amendments to that content. It's super simple. So, today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be making my way through each section from the top to the bottom, giving you a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how simple it is to do and use. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either. So let's get cracking. I'm quickly going to scroll my way to the top very quickly. Awesome. And click on the first section at the top. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company email address and my phone number. I'm going to make sure I click on show email on site so my email address is displayed on my website. Let's go ahead and put in our physical location, our street's address, as well as our postal code. The great thing about our physical location is when we click on it, it will automatically take us to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Awesome. Let's move along and head over to update social links. Now, over here, we can put in the various social media platforms that our costume rental service is active on. Go ahead and pop all the links in over here. The handles, icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your Marty Sites website. So your customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, and see what you're up to. Let's move along and head over to update logo. If you don't have a logo yet, I recommend you check out canva.com. You'll find a few free great options on their website. Awesome logo has been uploaded. Let's go ahead and click on this little pencil over here. The pencil gives you an option to crop your logo, to add filters, decorate it, zoom in, flip it, etc. So I've cropped it ever so slightly so it fits better into the section over there. Let's wait for it to be uploaded and click on save. Once it's been uploaded, we can make it bigger and smaller, but I think that sizing is perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and move on. Now with Marty Sites as well, we've pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy and quick as possible to launch a simple website for your costume rental service. However, perhaps these colors don't quite go with your branding, your business cards, your logo, and you want to change it. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. So I'm going to scroll right to the end and see which options suit me best. That really stands out well, but I like this one as well. So I think I might go ahead with this one over here. Awesome, I can change it at a later stage. Let's head over to update image. Now over here you can browse your device and upload your own. Otherwise search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from and they're all completely free to use. It will automatically search for costume rental service, but you can play around with the terms a little bit. Let's just search for costume and see what pops up. Okay, one or two options here, but let's go ahead and put in dress up and see what options pop up with that. As I said, play around with the terms a little bit and see what pops up. So one or two images here as well. I'm going to go ahead and select this one. I can change it at a later stage if need be. Awesome, that actually looks really great. So I'm now going to head over to update content. Over here, I can change the title, subtitle, button doesn't have to say get in touch, but I am going to leave it as that and head over to choose link. Now you can link to another website if need be. You can link to another part of your Mighty Sites website, like the lead form at the bottom, contact form, which I'm going to get to in just a second. You can link to an action like click to call directions or click to email. So for this, I'm going to put it as click to call as well. Otherwise, you can upload a PDF file, which is a great option to upload like your current promotions, deals, or catalog maybe of the different costumes you have in stock. Over here, content pre-written button can link to various places. Click on update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the about us section over here. You can put a little bit more details of your business, how it came to be, how long you've been in the industry for, what made you get into this industry? What kind of costumes do you rent out? Is it fantasy, superhero, pop culture costumes? Is everything high quality and is it well maintained? Do you keep it clean, etc.? Go ahead and put all the details over here so your customers know a little bit more about you and your business. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more detail, the different services, all the different costumes you offer. Do you offer rental items including Harry Potter, Power Rangers, Beauty and the Beast, Wizards of Oz, bunnies, Santa, superheroes, maybe stuff for school plays and theater? Or if you have maybe you have a rent a party character for children's birthday parties per for example, go ahead and put all those details over here so your customers know exactly what they can come to you for, what they can find in your store. Over here, we've now made our way into the lead form that I just told you about. Over here, you can put your customers can put their contact details, their message, click on send. You will get notified by email that you have a lead via this form. You'll also find all your contact form leads in your Mighty dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. If you have a custom domain for your costume rental store, click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain, go through the various steps in linking it. Now, if you're struggling, head over to our website, www.mightysites.com. There is a blog post with a step-by-step guide on linking your custom domain. You'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. So much valuable information here on marketing your business, so do check it out. If you don't have a domain yet, click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. Over here in your Mighty dashboard is where you can find those leads as well from that contact form at the bottom, which I've just shown you. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your costume rental service. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.